Hole 3, beer number 3, let's go.
Cheers, Andy.
Let's watch shotguns. Very, very minimal spillage so far. Oh, he caught the hat with the other hand.
I had less.
7-5. He caught the hat, falling off his head with
Swag
his other
points.
hand.
Mid shotgun.
9-2. Best I've ever seen.
Holy
He
fucking
was shot.
Wow.
That could be very bad.
Yeah.
Nope.
Content.
Look at that.
Wow, what a shot.
He's fucking lit.
Toad in there.
Oh no,
Toad. I think that was alright.
That's all you can do.
Big putt for Team Toad and Bowser.
Junk.
Nope, over. Get on. Alright. Luigi is going down.
Fuck Team Toad. Fuck Team Toad.